Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about drishti, evil eye, negative energies. That means what are the symptoms related to that? The first symptom is basically whenever you perform a work. That means when you are working, if there are any blockages, there are any struggles or many hurdles, at that situation you can understand that your surrounding energies, your aura energies are negative. The second and the most common symptom is health related. That means you are a fit guy, but suddenly if there are some health issues or suddenly in your family started occurring health issues regularly, at that situation also you can understand that your aura energies is diluted. That means negative. So the best directions to balance according to Vastu Shastra is south-southeast. That means the zone which comes under southeast and south, the middle area. That's called SAC. If degrees we say it's 157 degree. That means in south-southeast, if there is negative toilets, if there is a kitchen under which there is a black color slab, kitchen is positive, but black slab creates negative energies, and a main door which is a negative main door. At that situation, your body and your willpower starts getting negative. So how to balance that zones? You can check the link in the description. And the remedies part, that's basically Drishti Booster. It's basically a gold bar along with a brass yantra. The yantra you have to place in your pocket or your purse, and the booster, that's basically a brass bar inside which crystals are filled. Metal and crystal, both we get from our environment, so those are the best remedies. In crystals, if we talk, it's basically 7 chakra and 9 planet crystals. Backside there is a healing symbol through which it regularly gets re-energized. That's basically a Reiki symbol. So booster, it basically creates positive energies. So in your office table area, in your pocket or purse or near you, you can just place this booster to activate those crystal energies. And the yantra, you can just place above that. Yantras are basically symbolic coding and numeric codings through which our subconscious mind, that's basically connected to universe, starts activating. And whatever you want, universe starts creating opportunities related to that. So booster and yantras, both combinations are the fabulous remedies which you can use to protect yourself from any evil eye, drishti or negative energies. So if you require this product, you can contact in the number given below. Along with this, if you want to check the Vastu of your home plan, then you can send your plan in the number given below. And after the correction, the complete Vastu remedies products you will receive in our office. And if you are interested in Vastu classes, that means how this Vastu Shastra, how our surroundings align with us, support with us, how does these energies affect our problems and manifest our wishes and all. That means by our elders, always we hear that your friend circle, your surrounding people should be powerful and smart. The reason is because how your surrounding, your mind related frequency starts relating with them. So for example, if you are in a dark room where everywhere there are cracks, there are negative energies, then you don't start feeling to work at your true potential. But similarly, your plot is made according to the Vastu Shastra. That means the light colors are used, the toilet placement, kitchen placement, main door placement, everything is perfect. So whenever you stay in this surrounding, you will start getting that positive vibes and all to get motivated and work a lot. So this Vastu Shastra, it basically helps you in aligning with your space. That means aligning with your land energies. And once it's aligned, you start receiving opportunities in your life. Along with this, in this courses, more than 350 remedies we are going to learn, and basic to advanced. That means if you are just a beginner who has a curiosity to learn about Vastu Shastra, from there to the professional knowledge you will start learning in this course. Then 45 Devatas. Basically 45 Devatas is an advanced part in which pinpoint remedies, that means a particular problem, which degrees are connected, which Devatas are connected, and by activating those, you start receiving your solutions and all. And aura scanners and pendulums. These are basic dowsing tools through which we can sense the energies and all. That means this aura booster we have to use or not use, where we have to place for the best remedies and best directions to activate these energies. This all questions and all you can answer with aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content you are going to learn in this course. For more information, you can check the description box and contact in the number given below to enroll in these courses. Thank you for watching this whole video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment the next video related to which problems or which myth you want to clear them. I'll surely make the videos related to that. So do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel so that you can transform your life in a positive way. So thank you.